Here we are, the ADO A20 foldable commuter bike, camping bike, traveller's bike. This thing is pretty cool for what it is. Priced at $899 in the UK. This video is a walk around video just so I can show you close up what the bike has, the features, what it looks like if you're sitting on it and that sort of stuff. If you haven't checked out the full review, I'll link it up above. Go and check it out. It's a really good little bike for commuting and stuff like that. Really do like it. So let's start at the front. We've got these mechanical disc brakes on the front, which are cable, obviously, for mechanical disc brakes. And yeah, they're good. Little 20-inch wheels with these sort of BMX style wheels, which look really cool. The tyres, sort of hybrid tyres, not too grippy, but they do the job for the stuff that you're going to do on this bike. They will deal with sort of canal paths and stuff like that, so some light off-roading. You've got the light on the front, which is sort of the light and horn combo, which is standard on these sort of bikes, and then the forks as well, which are not meant to travel, but they will soak up some vibrations. They're not any brand at all, but for this price they do the job. Then we go up here, the cable's all nicely routed up into the cockpit, which has two brake levers, front and back. Brakes are really quite grippy actually. I do like the brakes. It's not very wide, it's nice and compact. You've got the Shimano shifter here for the 7-speed gears. You've got the release button here so you can release the handlebars when you're folding it down. And then there's the 3 USB-A charging point as well for your phone as well where you're traveling. And this is the control panel right here for the different modes. Then you've got the controls there for the light and the horn, and that is pretty much the cockpit. I like these grips. You've got the throttle here on the right hand side. The grips are nice. It's got the palm rest there either side. Very comfortable to ride, feels good. Okay, right at the front we've got where you fold down the post on the front. This sort of just clips out like that, and then that comes down, and you can fold that down as well for folding the bike. Nice chunky frame, batteries inside there. You can remove it to charge it, or you can charge it in the bike. Then you've got the key here to unlock it and to keep it safe. This is a mechanism for folding the bike, so you flick that up, flick it out, and then the bike folds in half. Nice and easy, nice and safe. Frame's nicely built, aluminium. Feels good. It's pretty light. It's about 25 kilograms for an electric bike, which is quite light. Single speed on the front, and then the gears are on the back. Shimano gears as well. Shimano sprocket on the back as well, which is good. Same 20-inch wheel on the back. Same tyres. Same disc brakes on that side. And then we've got a K&C chain as well, which is good. Little mud guard on the back, which is a little bit plastic, a little bit flimsy, but it's going to protect you from a little bit of rain spraying up the back for when you're travelling. And that's pretty much that. You got the seat post, which has got the suspension in. That's pretty good actually, and this bike came fitted with a light on the back as well. But yeah, that soaks up the vibrations if you're sitting on the seat post for when you're going up and down curbs and stuff like that. It's going to help. And then we come around here, these pedals, the final thing, these flick out so we can sort of fold them down when you're folding the bike up, which is good. Never seen that before on a bike. That's an interesting feature. Then you've got the speed sensor there for the crank. You've got the charging port here, which is waterproof, plugs back in there like that, and that's pretty much it. That is the ADO A20 folding commuter bike. Like I said, stay tuned for videos coming soon. More folding bikes, more electric bikes, big fat chunky ones. I'll link them all above that I've done before, and we've got other bikes en route as well. But this was just a quick look at the ADO A20. This is what you can expect when you get out of the box. Came very well packaged, came with a pump in the box as well, came with the tools to fit it all together, nice and easy. It's a decent bike for the money if you're travelling on the train down in London or something, or you're taking it camping on the back of your camper van. Would be perfect for popping to the shops. Good little bike for the money. That's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.